Kususangpo, hello, namaste, and tashidalo to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today's vlog is going to be about traveling from capital city Thimphu to Phuntsholing, Bhutan, which is on the border of West Bengal, India. Friends, to start off the vlog, I want to let you guys know that in Bhutan we do not have traffic lights. I'm sure some of you know it, but some doesn't, so I just wanted to let you know again. And as you see, there are like two traffic cops here in the center of the road, where they will be directing all the traffic. So friends, sit back, relax, and enjoy the road trip experience from Thimphu all the way to Phuntsholing. So friends, after driving 2.5 hours away from Thimphu, we finally reached Gedu, Bhutan. And in Gedu, and in few minutes, you will see Gedu College, one of the universities in Bhutan. I have finally reached Sorchin, where I can see the view of Phuntsholing town. But I will have to stop here, register and travel by a different vehicle, which I had arranged it earlier. And this is due to COVID restrictions. Any vehicle that you travel from Thimphu cannot go straight to Phuntsholing, or otherwise that vehicle and the driver will have to stay in quarantine for 7 days. So a lot of vehicles will not want to do that. You have to arrange a different vehicle. That's exactly what I did. And I will be traveling to Phuntsholing town in a different vehicle. Friends, I have no idea how to share my excitement of being here in Phuntsholing town after a few years. And I know Phuntsholing town was like locked down for many months due to COVID. And I keep hearing that there are not too many people on the streets and like a lot of people have left. So I am yet to experience that and see how I feel, because during this time of the year, generally, Phuntsholing is crowded with lots of people, like Indian tourists coming in, all the students being out of school, and a lot of people come here because the climate is like really beautiful during this time of the year, and the streets are like flooded with people, and I don't see that many people on the street, so I don't know how to express my feeling now. But anyway, friends, I am going to be sharing you how Phuntsholing looks now during the time of COVID, and share the experience with you in coming few days. So friends, with that said, I am going to end my blog here with message to everyone. Share lots of love, happiness and peace to each and everyone. And thank you for watching my video, friends. Take care, stay safe. Somebody ran away from who? Because they were under quarantine?
Yeah.
The Indian guy. So why did they run away?